Walk into any kitchen supply store and you're faced with the decision that feels far more consequential than it should. Ceramic or stainless steel? They both cook food, but that's about where the similarities end. Choosing between them isn't just about aesthetics. It's about defining what kind of cook you are and what you value most in your kitchen. Are you looking for convenience and ease for everyday meals, or are you after a lifetime of versatility and performance? Let's cut through the marketing and get to the heart of what separates these two cookware titans. Cooking performance. Here's what matters when the heat is on. Stainless steel is all about control and high-performance cooking. Its real magic comes from its ability to get screaming hot and create a beautiful, even sear on a piece of meat or fish. Think about that deep brown crust on a steak or the caramelized bits left in the pan that form the foundation of an incredible pan sauce that's called fond. And stainless steel is its best friend. Because it's a bare metal surface, it excels at these high-heat techniques. Ceramic, on the other hand, is a different beast entirely. Its main selling point is the slick, non-stick surface. This makes it a dream for delicate, sticky foods. Scrambled eggs, pancakes, or a flaky piece of cod will slide right out of a ceramic pan with little to no oil. However, that same non-stick surface prevents you from getting a deep, hard sear. It's designed for low to medium heat cooking. If you try to crank up the temperature like you would with stainless steel, you risk damaging the coating and will still struggle to build that crucial fond. So for quick, low-impact meals, ceramic is incredibly convenient. Heat tolerance and versatility. The ability to go from stovetop to oven is a game changer for many recipes, and this is another area where the two materials diverge sharply. Stainless steel is built for heat. Most quality stainless steel cookware is oven-safe to at least 500 degrees Fahrenheit, and many can handle the direct, intense heat of a broiler. This opens up a world of techniques. You can sear a chicken thigh on the stove and then transfer the whole pan to the oven to finish cooking. Or you can get a perfect, bubbly, browned crust on a gratin under the broiler. Ceramic cookware is much more delicate when it comes to temperature. The coating is simply not designed to withstand intense heat. Most manufacturers recommend sticking to low or medium heat on the stovetop and warn that high heat will drastically shorten the lifespan of the nonstick coating. While many are technically oven safe, it's usually only up to around 400–450 degrees Fahrenheit, and they are almost never broiler safe. Non-reactivity and flavor. Here we have some common ground, but with a nuance. Both stainless steel and ceramic are considered non-reactive, which is a huge plus. This means you can cook acidic ingredients like tomatoes, wine, or citrus without worrying about the pan leaching metallic flavors into your food or getting damaged. If you've ever simmered a tomato sauce in a cast iron or aluminum pan and noticed a slightly metallic taste, you know why this matters. A non-reactive surface ensures that your food tastes exactly how you intended it to. Stainless steel has a long-established reputation for being completely inert, offering a pure and clean cooking surface that chefs have trusted for generations. You can deglaze with wine or simmer a lemon butter sauce for hours with zero concerns. Ceramic coatings are also designed to be non-reactive, providing a barrier between your food and the aluminum core underneath. As long as that coating is intact, your food's flavor is safe. Induction compatibility. With the rise of induction stovetops, this has become a critical point of comparison. For a pan to work on an induction cooktop, its base must be magnetic. Stainless steel, by its nature, is often magnetic, especially the grades used for cookware. Most multi-ply stainless steel pans are designed with induction in mind and work perfectly. It's a reliable choice for any modern kitchen. If you have an induction stove or plan on getting one, stainless steel is a safe bet. Ceramic cookware is more of a mixed bag. The ceramic coating itself is not magnetic, and the aluminum core that most ceramic pans use is also not magnetic. Therefore, for a ceramic pan to be induction compatible, the manufacturer has to bond a magnetic steel plate to the bottom of the pan. Many modern, higher-end ceramic brands do this, but many cheaper ones do not. Cleaning and maintenance. When a ceramic pan is new, cleaning is an absolute breeze. That ultra-slick surface means that even burnt-on cheese or sugary sauces can often be wiped away with a soft sponge and a little soapy water. This convenience is a major part of its appeal. However, this ease of cleaning is directly tied to the integrity of the nonstick coating. As the coating wears down over time, food will start to stick more and cleaning will become more of a chore. Stainless steel requires a bit more elbow grease, but it's nearly impossible to truly harm it. If food does stick, you have a wide array of options. You can soak it, scrub it with a steel wool pad, or use abrasive cleaners like Barkeeper's Friend to restore its original shine. A favorite technique for chefs is deglazing. While the pan is still hot, just pour in a little water or wine and the stuck-on bits will lift right off, which both cleans the pan and creates a base for a sauce.
Weight and handling. How a pan feels in your hand can make a big difference in how much you enjoy using it. In general, ceramic pans tend to be lighter than their stainless steel counterparts. This is largely because they often have a core made of aluminum, which is a very lightweight metal. A lighter pan is easier to lift, flip, and maneuver, which can be a real advantage for someone who struggles with heavy cookware or wants to be able to toss ingredients in the pan with a flick of the wrist. Stainless steel pans, especially high-quality 3-ply or 5-ply versions, are noticeably heavier. That extra weight comes from the multiple layers of steel and aluminum or copper. While this makes them less nimble, the heft serves a purpose. It contributes to better heat retention, meaning the pan doesn't lose temperature as quickly when you add cold food to it. This stability is key for achieving a consistent, even sear. The weight feels substantial and durable, giving you a sense of control over the cooking process. Price and value. When you look at the price tags, ceramic cookware almost always looks like the better deal. A full set can often be purchased for a fraction of the cost of a comparable stainless steel set. The lower upfront cost is a huge draw for many people, especially those outfitting a kitchen for the first time. However, it's crucial to think about value over the long term. Given that even a high-quality ceramic pan will likely need to be replaced every few years, the total cost of ownership starts to add up. Stainless steel requires a higher initial investment, there's no doubt about it. A single, well-made pan can cost as much as an entire cheap ceramic set. But that higher price buys you longevity. Because a quality stainless steel pan can last a lifetime, its cost per year of use is incredibly low. It represents a one-time purchase rather than a recurring one. So, while ceramic is cheaper to get started with, stainless steel almost always offers far better long-term value. It's the classic buy nice or buy twice scenario.
Best use cases. So, what's the bottom line? It's not that one is universally better than the other. They are simply tools for different jobs. You wouldn't use a screwdriver to hammer a nail, right? In an ideal kitchen, you would have both: a reliable stainless steel set for the heavy lifting and a high-quality ceramic nonstick pan for the delicate tasks.